Hello everyone and welcome back to your YouTube channel. So in this Salesforce Agentforce series, today we are going to learn about how we can build the sales email prompt template in Salesforce. Now very first, we need to understand how is this sales email prompt template is different than the lightning email template or the classic email template. So for that, let's navigate to the Salesforce org. So this is the Trailhead Playground org where Salesforce provides the Agentforce and data cloud in the org for practice to the users. And before that, I have already created videos on introduction to Agentforce, then how we can create and deploy the agent in Salesforce, and after that how we can create the custom actions using the Salesforce flow and the Apex in Agentforce. The video link I have given in description box, you can go through it. After that you will be more understand what is Agentforce in Salesforce. Now first let's see the classic email template. For that, let me open the classic email templates. In the quick find box, search for the classic email templates. Here you can see, here we have classic email templates, click on it. So here as I click on this new template, and I hope you know that how to create classic email template, and if you don't know, I will provide the video link in the description box. So here we need to provide the email template name. After that the unique name will be automatically populated. Then here we need to provide the subject and then email body. So here while creating the email body, we need to provide all the text that we want to send to the receiver or the employee or the user. So here Agentforce make this task very simple. That means using the Agentforce, we only need to provide the details that we want to send to the user, and then the agent will be automatically create the body that we want to send to the user or the customer. So here I will be explain how we can create the sales email prompt template so that we can send the sales email to the customers using the Agentforce. And how we can do that? For that, let me navigate to the sales application. So here I am opening the contact object. Now as I open any contact record, and let's navigate to the activity tab. So here we have task, log a call, new event, and then emails. As I click on this email, now if we want to send email to this contact, so here what we need to do? Here we can customize the email body and the subject that we want to send for this customer. Now when we enable the Einstein for sales, after that here you can see, here we have attach file and then the insert merge fields. Here we will get the Einstein email draft button, and as we click on that button, the agent will automatically create the subject and the body that we want to send to the customer or the contact. So all this I will be explaining in this video. For that, watch the video till end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so whenever we post any new video, you will get an update. And before moving ahead, here is very big announcement for the Salesforce geekers. We launched a Salesforce admin training course. In that, we explain every concept in a simple and easy to understand way, so you can learn step by step with the confidence. So this course is for beginner to the advanced level. In that we have covered 10 modules. You will get lifetime access. So here you can see, here we have covered 10 modules: introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce navigation and setup. After that, Salesforce user management. Then we also have covered Salesforce apps, object and tabs. After that, the Salesforce fields and formulas, UI customization in Salesforce. After that, Salesforce reports and dashboards, Salesforce data management, and Salesforce flows. So in this course we have covered everything from beginner to the advanced level. So if you are serious about launching your Salesforce career, check out the course now. We have provided the link in the description box. You can go through it. Now let's jump to the topic. Now before setting up the permission to Einstein for sales, let's understand one scenario so that we can better understand why we need to build a sales email prompt template in Agentforce. So here let's take a scenario. A sales representative wants to send email to the contact or a lead. So here when they want to send an email, instead of creating or instead of writing subject and the body, the Agentforce agent help them to write this email quickly. So for that, for the first time, we need to create the predefined prompt templates. That email template user can use using this feature called draft with Einstein. So first we need to enable the feature draft with Einstein. For that we need to enable the Einstein for sales. So for that, in the quick find box, search for the Einstein for sales. Here you can see under the Einstein sales, here we have Einstein for sales. As you click on it, now here you can see set up the sales email. Now to enable the feature of draft with Einstein, we need to enable this or turn on this sales email. So for that, click on this toggle button. Now it will take some time to enable. So here, let me refresh the page. Now here you can see the sales email and add email prompt instruction has been successfully enabled. Now what we need to do, again let's navigate to the contact object. So here, now as I refresh the page, here you will be see, let me open the activity, email, and now here you can see the draft with Einstein button has been successfully displayed. Now as we click on this button, here you can see, here we have some email instruction. That means here we can provide the instruction. So for example, the prompt you give for the ChatGPT, same like that you can give the prompt or the instruction to this agent, and this agent will create the email body as the prompt or instruction that you provided. After that, here you can see, here we have used pre-made instruction. That means the sales email prompt template that we are going to create, that will be displayed over here. Now before that, here you can see, here we only have the standard email templates. Now we are going to create the custom sales email prompt template. So here, let me close this one. Now we need to create the sales email prompt template in Agentforce. For that, again in the quick find box, we need to search for prompt builder. So here you can see under the Einstein generative AI, here we have prompt builder. Click on this one. Now as you scroll down, here you will be see all the standard templates, and then these are the actives. Now I want to create the custom one. For that, here you can see, here we have new prompt template. As you click on it, now here we need to select the prompt template type. So as you click on it, here you can see, here we have different template type. Here we need to select the sales email. For that, as you scroll down, here you can see, here we have sales email. Click on it, and then here we need to provide the prompt template name. So here I want to create this prompt template to pitch the product information to the customer. For that, in the prompt template name, here I am providing pitch product. As you click on API name, it will be automatically populate. Then in the template description, you can provide the short information about what purpose you are creating this email template. So here I am providing write an email. So here you can see I have provided description, write an email template for presenting a product to potential customers, investors or stockholders to pursue them to buy a product. So here you can select the recipient. So here I have selected contact. So here is very important thing, to create the sales email template, we can only select the contact or the lead in the recipient, and then in the related object we can select the objects that are related to the contact object. So here we want to pitch the information about the product. For that, in the related object, here I am selecting, here you can see, here we have product object, select this one and then click on next. Now as you click on this resource, this comes with the sender, recipient and then product. Except this one, here we have flows, apex and then current organization. So from here we can select the current organization details, then the sender details, then recipients and then product. So here if you want to add any information about them, you can click on this resource. After that, in the recipient type, here you can see, here we have contact, and then in the prompt template workspace, here we need to provide the instruction so that the agent will create the subject and the email body as the instruction that we have provided or that we will provide. And now here I am going to provide the instruction for that. So here I am providing, you are a sales representative and your name is. Now here I am providing the sender name dynamically. For that, what we can do, click on this resource, then here we need to select the sender, and then here we can search the name of the sender. So here you can see, here we have full name, first name, whatever the fields you want to embed, you can do it, you can add it. So here I am selecting this full name and then again space. Now here I will provide the more instruction. So here you can see I have provided the instruction. So like this instruction we used to provide, give the prompt to the ChatGPT or other AI tools. So here I have provided, you are the sales representative and your name is input.sender.name. So this field we have added from this resource, then from the sender, and then here we search the name. After that, in this email you tell the customers about the product, its advantage and why the customer should buy it. Then the customer contact name, the contact name we have in the recipient, Again from the resource, here you can see the recipient and then here you can search the name. After that we give the instruction start email by greeting the recipient by name. That means agent will start the email by greeting the customer and then tell them about the product. So here we have added the product name dynamically and then use the description field to add the details about the product. So like this we have given the instruction to the agent or the prompt builder. Now before activating this prompt template, here you can see here we can preview the details. For that in the recipient, so here I am searching any customer name. Let me see any customer name. So here we have Lauren. You can also select any other recipient. So here I am selecting this one. And then in the related record, we need to search the product. So here, let me open any product. All products. So here we have installation. Let me search. Here you can see installation industrial. Here I am selecting this one. And then here you can see the preview language. Here I am selecting English and then save and preview. So the template has been successfully saved. Now here you can see in the resolution, the instruction that we provided, here they replace the name or the information of the object. And then in the response, here you can see the agent created the subject and then the email body with the greeting to the customer name. After that, as I scroll down, so here you can see the agent customized the email body to tell the customer about the product information. Now let's activate this sales email prompt template. For that, here you can see here we have activate button. As I click on it, so here the pitch product was activated. Now again let's navigate to the contact object. So here I am opening the contact. Now here I am selecting this contact. Again click on the activity. Now I want to send the email to this contact to tell about our product. So here I am clicking on this email. And now instead of typing subject and the customizing the email body, here I am clicking on this draft with Einstein button. And then here you can see use pre-made instruction. So here I am clicking on this. And now here you can see earlier we don't have this custom instruction. After creating and activating the instruction, here we can see the pitch product instruction. Now here I am selecting this one. After that, here we need to select the product. Now here I will select the another product. For that, let me open the product. All products. Let me copy this one. And now here I am selecting this product and then click on continue. After that, here you can see it's analyzing the request. Now here you can see the customer name that we selected in the contact. After that, the agent also created the subject as per the product that we provided. And then here you can see agent also created the email body to telling about the product information to the customer. So here I am clicking on this done button. And after that, if you want to customize this email again, you can do it. So here, let me remove this one. So here you can see we can customize the email, and after that, and then you can simply click on this send button. Now here you can see the email was sent. Now let's check whether the email is received or not. So let me check in the spam, because sometimes it send email on the spam. So here you can see as I open this one, you can see the subject information about the product and then the email template or the body that the agent created is successfully sent to the customer. So in this way we can create the sales email prompt template in Salesforce Agentforce. I hope whatever I explained you understood that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so whenever we post a new video you will get an update. Thank you.